Coaches, if you're looking to go faster in your business, if you're in that 1 year to 3 year mark and you're really looking to build more substantial business, here are the 3 recommendations that I've got for you. Super simple and something that we often neglect when we're in the work. The first one is you want to clarify your focus. Ultimately, where you're going. What's the type of business model that works for you? And specifically, what that might look like is if you love team facilitation, how are you making sure that most of what you're focusing on and what you're building is in that realm? If it's one-on-one coaching, focusing on the program that you offer there. Or if it's more around speaking and you do coaching as a side hustle basically to your speaking work, ultimately, what is the business that you really want? What does that look like? So we have to refine our focus. The second is we want to reduce friction. So how do we make sure that the systems that we're using are reducing friction to us getting to ultimately where we want to get to? If there's 5 or 6 checks before we get to you offering the keynote speech, we're just adding more drag. And last but not least, we want to invest intentionally in the things that are most important. And this is often where we start. We like to think about all the things we want to add to things that we're doing before we've really focused on what we want and before we've taken away the friction points that allow us to move faster. So for you, that might look like, how do we get you more on camera? How do we get you speaking in front of cameras so that people start to think about you and see you as a keynote speaker? As a coach, maybe it's you offering more bite-sized nuggets via Twitter or maybe LinkedIn around the things that you're doing in your coaching work and the lessons learned that you have there. We want to use those 3 different steps and use them strategically so that we can reduce drag and ultimately get to where we want to get faster.